download and play Among Us on PC for free. So how to download and play Among Us on PC for free? So now first of all, go to Google and type Mimeo like this. Click on this website. So as you can see, Mimeo is an Android emulator on your PC. So just download it, and after you download it, install it. It's easy steps. Now after you download and install Mimeo, now go and open the Mimeo software like this. Now after the Mimeo app, after you open the Mimeo app, just go and tap on Play Store. Now go to search and type Among Us. Now select this. Now after that you can install it, and as you can see, the game is installed, and this is so after the installation process is complete, now you can play the game. So this is how to download and play Among Us on PC for free. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.